Hey Google, turn on the fan. Hey Siri, turn off the fan.
Hi everyone, I'm here at the Embedded World 10XP booth. I have next to me Mikhail. And hi Mikhail, nice to meet you. And we're gonna talk today about Matter. Matter is the thing of the day, right? It's the way to put some order into all these IoT devices, into all these home devices, that we make sure that products from different vendors work together. So we have here Mikhail, which is going to explain us how these things really work. Let's start maybe what is Matter. It's an application layer protocol that does order.
Yes, this is really a software application layer, a kind of common language for IoT device, try to solve this issue that we have all every day with our IoT device, just to make sure they can read, talk each other. So it's really what Matter try to solve. That's the promise of Matter.
Oh, that's the promise of Matter. So before we had all kind of devices, every vendor came with its own solution. Now they will work together if they implement this Matter protocol, which is getting some traction. I saw that in Android there is already support, iOS has already support. It's a young protocol, right? We talk about 3 years old, right?
Yeah, well, 3 years old of development, but officially launched last year in November, so it's pretty new, so it's just starting. So it's really the beginning of the journey, I would say. Yeah, it's really starting.
Maybe you can say a few words about the security part of it, because we want these devices to work seamlessly, smooth, consume little, but be secure, right?
Yes, for sure. We are talking about interoperability, connected objects talking together, but still with a high level of security, which is really important. So Matter also includes all these security requirements. So it means that your device should be trust provisioning, so it can only enter Matter fabric, what we call a Matter fabric, only if it's authorized to. So as an XP, we are providing all the security features that you need for your product to be securely connected to this Matter world.
To this product. All right, and you have a very nice demo. Maybe you can briefly explain a bit how this demo works. We'll give a general view, and then I'll show the details.
Yeah, this is really two purposes of this demo, is to show that NXP is providing full software and hardware solution for Matter, but also to explain this interoperability. So the demo is really to showcase that we have several ecosystems which are on the front of this demo, and we are able to control all the backend which are Matter and device, either over Wi-Fi or the thread. But we have this third-party controller which are the key player of the market with iPod and Nest Hub from Google. So we are able to showcase in this demo that we can control all these devices across all this ecosystem, which is really what Matter is about.
So they connect seamlessly and they work together very nice. We have the demo where you can turn on the light. Maybe you do that?
Yes, hey Google, turn on the light.
And I have the light here. It takes some time.
And I can say, hey Siri, turn off the light.
Yeah, so we show that Siri and Google can work together if we use Matter.
If we use Matter, that's the point.
Yeah, so it's actually cool that this support is already there for all these things. What else can we say?
About security, which is really a key point. So really with our product, we are offering a full solution for the security stuff. So either our product has security enclaves that we can really trust, make the trust provisioning, and also we help our customer with a full solution, edge-lock to go services that we help our customer to inject their certificate to the device. So we have really a full solution to help our customer, because we are also an authority that are allowed to generate certificate for our customer for Matter. So yeah, we provide the full solution, the hardware, the cloud services to help our customer to deal with the security.
All right. So with a lot of devices coming in, with the smart home becoming a new reality, right? This Matter will probably become household name, right? We will get used to this icon of
Yes.
Matter as we got used to Bluetooth, right? And it's basically the future and the way things will connect and will work.
So
together.
if someone wants more information, just go on our nxp.com Matter website, and you'll get all information about our product, our solution, and
how to get them. And someone made a joke. I have to tell you, it's really an engineering joke, right? So if it's not funny, stay with us. But the Matter is the only protocol for which they wrote a song 30 years ago, right? And you know that song, right? It's like so close, no matter how far. Nothing else matters. this is important, right? So thank you very much, Mikael, for the time and for the presentation, and we'll show people where to come and get our products. Thank you, everyone. Take care.
Hey Google, turn on the light. Hey Siri, turn off the light.